Welcome to Manager EDU. Today, I will teach you the inventory turnover ratio with a simple and conceptual example. So let's start. Inventory turnover ratio measures how efficiently a company manages its inventory. It indicates how many times a company's inventory is sold and replaced over a specific period, typically a year. Think of it like this. You purchase inventory, store it, and then sell it. The question is, how many times does this cycle repeat during the year? That's exactly what the inventory turnover ratio tells us. If the inventory turnover ratio is higher, it means the company is managing its inventory more efficiently, selling goods quickly and replenishing them. If the ratio is lower, it means inventory is not selling as fast, which could indicate inefficiency or slow-moving stock. Now let's look at the formula. Inventory turnover ratio equals cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. But what is average inventory? It's simply beginning inventory plus ending inventory divided by 2. Let's explain this with an example. Suppose we have a company called ABC. For the year 2023, we have the following information. Cost of goods sold, $600,000, beginning inventory, $80,000, ending inventory, $60,000. First, we need to calculate the average inventory. So, beginning inventory, $80,000, plus ending inventory, $60,000, equals $140,000. Now, divide that by 2. So, $140,000 divided by 2 equals $70,000. Now, we apply the formula. Inventory turnover ratio equals cost of goods sold, $600,000, divided by average inventory, $70,000, which equals 8.57. So, the inventory turnover ratio in this example is 8.57. Now, what does 8.57 mean? Let's clarify the concept. Throughout the year 2023, from the beginning inventory to the ending inventory, the company purchased and sold its inventory approximately 8.5 times during the year. In simple words, the cycle of buying and selling inventory repeated about 8.5 times during the year. So, the inventory turnover ratio tells us how many times a company's inventory is sold and replaced over a specific period, typically a year. If you didn't fully understand, you can watch this video again. Thanks for watching.